I welcome you all to this section on mobile computing. Today we are discuss about an important 2 more questions in mobile computing. The first one is name some wireless devices. Wireless devices are devices that does not use wire to transmit information. There are many devices used for wireless communication like mobiles. The first one is cordless telephones. Cordless telephones are wireless devices as are TV remote controls. The second one is a Zigbee wireless technology. A Zigbee is an open global standard for wireless technology designed to use low power digital radio for PAN, that is personal area network. The third one is GPS. GPS stands for Global Positioning Systems. It's a satellite based radio navigation system. The fourth one is Wi-Fi. That means wireless fidelity. Wi-Fi is a local area wireless technology. The fifth one is satellite television and wireless computer parts. Not only these are the wireless devices. There are several examples are available in wireless devices. For example, wireless routers, wireless network card, etc. The second question is, what are signals? A signal is a description of how one parameter varies with another parameter. For instance, voltage changing over time in an electronic circuit or brightness varying with the distance in an image. Another definition of signal. A signal is a function of one or more independent variables which contain some information. For example, voice signal, video signal, signals on telephone wires, etc. There are several categories are available. The first one is continuous time and discrete time signals. The second one is deterministic and non-deterministic signals. The third one is even and odd signals. The fourth one is energy and power signals. And then real and imaginary signals. The third one is GSM. GSM is a globally accepted standard for digital cellular communications. It is a digital mobile network that is widely used by mobile phone users in Europe and other parts of the world. So GSM uses narrowband time division multiple access for providing voice and text based services over mobile phone networks. So GSM is a mobile communication modem. It stands for Global System for Mobile Communication. The idea of GSM was developed at Bell Laboratories in 1970s. It's widely used mobile communication system in the world, and digital cellular technology used for transmitting mobile voice and data services operates at 850 MHz, 900 MHz, 1800 MHz and 1900 MHz frequency bands are used. The fourth one is define CDMA. CDMA technology is used in commercial cellular communications to make better use of radio spectrum when compared to other technologies. So CDMA technology is known as a spread spectrum technique, which allows users to occupy the same time and frequency allocations in a given band and space. So code division multiple access is a channel access method used by various radio communication technologies. CDMA is an example of multiple access where several transmitters can send information simultaneously over a single communication channel. This allows several users to share a band of frequencies. The next one is, what is satellite system? Satellites have been put in space for various purposes, and their placement in space and orbiting shapes have been determined as per the specific requirements. So satellite system is a set of gravitationally bound objects in orbit around a planetary mass object or minor planet. There are 4 different types of satellite orbits have been identified. The first one is geostationary satellite. Geosatellites have a distance of almost 36,000 km to the Earth. The second one is LEO, that means low Earth orbit. So each LEO satellite will only be visible from the Earth for about 10 minutes. The third one is MEO. MEO stands for medium Earth orbit. MEO situates in orbit somewhere between 6,000 km to 20,000 km above the Earth's surface. The fourth one is HEO, that means high Earth orbit. HEO satellite is the only non-circular orbit of the 4 types.